there, grade 5 pupils. Welcome back again to another video lesson. So we are now on week 5 for grade 5 mathematics quarter 2. So during week 4, we have discussed on how to multiply decimals by whole numbers and then multiply decimals by another decimals. So for this video lesson, we will be discussing estimating product of decimals and solving problems involving multiplication of decimals. So how do we estimate the product of decimals? So yan po ang ating isa sa mga i-discuss natin. So for our lesson objectives, at the end of this video lesson, students, you are expected to estimate product of decimals and solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of decimals. So una muna nating i-discuss is kung ano yung mga paraan sa pag-estimate ng product ng decimals. And then saka natin i-discuss yung mga applications ng multiplication of decimals through word problems. So let's start with estimating product of decimals. How do we estimate the product of decimals? So to estimate the product of the decimals, simply round the numbers to the nearest whole number and then multiply. So before we multiply the decimals, we have to round them to the nearest whole number. Kasi nga ini-estimate natin yung product. Hindi naman kailangan na yung ating mga given ay mga decimals. Ini-estimate, tinatansya lang po natin yung product. So, to the nearest whole number. So, dito, given natin is mga decimals. And then, kapag in-estimate natin yung product, kailangan po i-round off natin yung mga factors natin to the nearest whole number bago natin sila i-multiply. So, let's have the examples. So, yan. 2.7 times 3.4 or 2 and 7/10 multiplied by 3 and 4/10. So, yung factors natin, ayan. So, yung 2.7, kapag ni-round off po natin yan, magiging 3 po yan. Kasi, ito yung ones digit natin, 2, and then yung kasunod na digit niya is 7, which is greater than 5. Kaya magiging 3 na po siya. And then, yung pangalawa naman, 3.4. So, since yung ating whole number na 3, katabi niya is 4, which is less than 5. Pag ni-round up natin yan, magiging 3 lang po yung ating sagot. Now, multiply po natin ngayon, 3 times 3, 9. So, ibig sabihin, ang estimated product ng ating given ay 9. Next, 16 and 8/10 times 4 and 9/10. So, in 16 and 8/10, pag ni-round up natin yan to the nearest whole number, magiging 17. And then, itong 4.9 or 4 and 9/10 magiging 5. So, therefore, we're going to multiply 17 by 5. 7 times 5, we have 35. So, we'll write 5 and then carry 3. 1 times 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So, the estimated product of our given is 85. Another, 4 and 62/100 times 3 and 8/10. So, yung una nating factor, kapag ni-round off po natin yan, it will become 5. And then, yung pangalawa naman, this will become 4. So, multiplying 5 by 4 gives us an estimated product of 20. Next, 38 and 67/100 times 9 and 14/10. So 38 and 67 hundredths, this will become 39. And then 9 and 14 hundredths, since yung 9 katabi niya, 1, which is less than 5. So yung 9 and 14 hundredths, magiging 9 lang po. And then we're going to multiply 39 by 9. 9 times 9, 81. So we'll write 1 and then carry 8. 3 times 9, 27 plus 8, 35. So our estimated product is 351. So for our last example, so we have 72 and 59 hundredths times 26 and 84 hundredths. So 72 and 59 hundredths, this will become 73 since yung katabi ng 2 is 5, which is equal or greater than 5. So magiging 73, and then 26 and 84 hundredths, ang katabi ng 6 is 8, which is greater than 5. So this will become 27. Now, let us multiply 73 by 27. 3 times 7, that is 21. So we'll write 1 and then carry 2. 7 times 7, 49 plus 2, 51. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 7, we have 14. So add natin. So bring down 1. 1 plus 6, we have 7. 5 plus 4, we have 9. And then bring down 1. So our estimated product is 1,971. So I hope naintindihan po natin yung process kung paano tayo nag-estimate ng product. So don't forget to round the numbers to the nearest whole numbers before multiplying. Since we are only to estimate the products, hindi naman yung actual or yung exact na sagot ang hinahanap natin. So after discussing the process of estimating the products of decimals, let us now proceed to solving word problems involving multiplication of decimals. So let's have the first problem. Paulo ordered 40 boxes of face mask online, which cost 72 pesos and 25 centavos. How much will he pay in all? So dito, yung given natin dito, or what is asked natin dito is magkano lahat ang babayaran ni Paulo sa pag-order ng 40 boxes wherein kada box cost 72 pesos and 25 centavos. So given natin dito yung 40 boxes ng face mask, and then yung kada box ay presyo 72 pesos and 25 centavos. And then, ano naman ang ating plan? So, para makuha yung number sentence natin, ganito lang po. 40 times 72 pesos and 25 centavos equals N. So, i-multiply lang natin yung 40 boxes dun sa presyo ng kada box para makuha natin kung magkano lahat ang babayaran ni Paulo. So ayan, 40 times 72 and 72 pesos and 25 centavos equals N. So multiply lang po natin yan. So 72 pesos and 25 centavos times 40. So next, 5 times 0 will have 0. So 0 lahat yan, pwede nating isulat. Next, 4 times 5, 20. So we'll write 0 and then carry 2. 2 times 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So we'll write 0 and then carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 times 4, we have 28. Sulat natin 28. And then, add lang po natin So bring down 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 again, 0, 0 plus 9, 9. And then bring down 28. Next, we'll move 2 decimal places to the left. Paano nating nalaman na 2 decimal places ang ating minumove? So dito sa ating factors, dito, ito, yung in-underline ko, 2 decimal places po yan. So we'll move 2 decimal places to the left. So our final answer here is 2,890 pesos. So anong ibig sabihin yan? So to answer the question, therefore, Paulo will pay a total of 2,890 pesos in buying 40 boxes of face mask. So let's have problem number 2. Lucia is working as a crew member in a restaurant with an hourly rate of 48 pesos and 75 centavos. If she worked for 52.5 hours this week, how much salary will she receive? So si Lucia po ay nagtatrabaho bilang isang crew member sa isang restaurant. So kada oras po, ang sahod niya is 48 pesos and 75 centavos. And then, what is asked po dito is yung salary na matatanggap niya, yung total na salary na matatanggap niya sa pag-work ng 52.5 hours nung week na yon. So, paano natin malalaman yung sagot dyan? So, sulat lang po natin yung ating number sentence. So, 48 pesos and 75 centavos times 52.5 hours equals N. So, yung total ng working hours niya is 52.5 and then kada oras binabayaran siyang 48 pesos and 75 centavos. So, multiply lang po natin. Five times 5, we have 25. So, we'll write 5 and then carry 2. 7 times 5, that is 35 plus 2, 37, carry 3. 8 times 5, 40 plus 3, 43. So we'll write 3 and then carry 4. 4 times 5, 20 plus 4, 24. Next, times 2. 2 times 5, 10. So we'll write 0, then carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, that is 15. So we'll write 5, then carry 1. 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 and then carry 1. 4 times 2, that is 8 plus 1, 9. Then you will notice, meron tayo dyan parehong 5. So kung ano yung nakuha nating product dun sa una nating 5 na minultiply, ganun din po ang product na makukuha natin dito. So ayan, yung aking ginuguhitan. So sulat lang po natin yan, kokopyahin natin yung 24,375 or 24375. So 5, 7, 3, 4, 2. So ayan. Or pwede rin naman natin i-multiply sila. Kaya lang, ganun lang din naman ang makukuha natin since pareho nga yung pinag-multiply natin. Parehong 5. So bring down 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. So we'll write 3, then carry 1. 4 plus 7, 11. Plus 7, 18. Plus 1, 19. So 9, then carry 1. 2 plus 9, 11. Plus 3, 14 plus 1, we have 15. So we'll write 5 and then carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5, and then bring down 2. And then, how many decimal places are we going to move? So, 1, 2, 1. So, ayan, tatlo. So, 1, 2, 3. So, our final answer here is 2,559 and 375 centavos. Or pwede rin natin yung i-round off as 259 pesos and 38 centavos. Therefore, Lucia will be receiving 2,559 and 38 centavos for working 52.5 hours during that particular week. So last problem. So Aling Rosa bought 3 kilos of apples worth 63 pesos and 50 centavos per kilo and 5.5 kilos of oranges for 72 pesos. If she gave 1,000 pesos to the vendor, how much change did he receive? So, kitang-kita naman po sa problem natin. So, dalawang fruits ang involved, apples and then oranges. So, bumili ng 3 kilong apples na ito ang presyo, 63 pesos and 50 centavos. Bumili siya ng 5.5 kilos ng orange na tig 72 pesos kada kilo. So, kung binigyan niya ng 1,000 pesos yung nagtitinda, magkano ang kanyang matatanggap na sukle? So, yun ang hinahanap natin dito, yung sukle na matatanggap niya. Doon sa binili niya na kung saan 1,000 pesos ang kanyang ibinigay doon sa vendor. So, yung kanyang number sentence, syempre, mauuna po yung kanyang perang binigay, which is 1,000 pesos, minus, kailangan nating maglagay ng grouping symbols. So, 3 times 63 pesos and 50 centavos plus 5.5 times 72 pesos equals N. So, kailangan muna nating i-multiply, perform yung mga nasa loob ng grouping symbols. Tapos, i-add natin yon, and then yung makukuha nating sum, yun ang isa-subtract po natin sa 1,000 pesos. So, pakita natin dito. 63 pesos and 50 centavos times 3. 0 times 3, 0. 5 times 3, 15. So, we'll write 5 and then carry 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So, we write 0 and then carry 1. 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19. And then we'll move 2 decimal places to the left. So, we'll have 190 pesos and 50 centavos. Next, 5.5 times 72 pesos. So, 72 pesos times 5.5 or 5 and 5 tenths. 2 times 5, 10. So, 0. Carry 1. 7 times 5, 35 plus 1, 36. So, ganun lang din ang isusulat natin kasi pareho naman silang 5. So, 360 din. 360. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. And then bring down 3. So, how many decimal places are there? We have 1. So, isa lang. So, our answer is 396 pesos. So, ngayon, i-add natin yung mga nakuha natin. So, 190 pesos and 50 centavos plus 396 pesos. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 9, 18. So, 8, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So we have 586 pesos and 50 centavos. Yun ang total na binayaran ni Aling Rosa. And then magkano ang kanyang sukli, yun po ang ating isasubtract. So dito natin gawin. So I hope naiintindihan niyo yung solusyon natin kahit na medyo magulo. 586 pesos and 50 centavos. So i-minus po natin yan. 0 minus 0, 0. And then 0 minus 5 cannot be. So manghihiram tayo niyan. So dito, 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 dito. So lahat yan 9. And then ito 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. And then, ito magiging 0. So, our final answer is 413 pesos and 50 centavos. So, ibig sabihin, yan po ang matatanggap na sukli ni Aling Rosa sa pagbili ng apples and oranges. So, what's next? So, in the next video lesson, we will be discussing the last operation for fundamental operations, which is division. So, division of decimals up to 2 decimal places and dividing whole numbers with quotients in decimal form. So, I hope you've learned something from this video lesson. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.